You know, a lot of times you're using a nail gun and you go to nail it in and you find yourself denting the wood. This is a little trick to avoid that dent. And everybody's got these laying around. Take your business card, put it there. Nail it like you always do. Let me shoot one without the business card and you'll see what I'm talking about. Pretty unsightly, those dents. Let me do it again to show you again. No dent, 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 no dent. Pretty cool.